Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can use function in Python. First of all, in order to declare function, we need to say over here def, and after this we need to give a name for the function. Let's say the function name will be hello test, and after that we need to give two first bracket. And then we need to give a clone here, and we're going to, let's say, print, and it will be hello. And there you can see we have printed hello, and this is inside function. And if I just copy this and print it multiple times like this, here you can see we have 3 hello, and if we run it, it will not show us anything. And one more thing, that is here you can see we write all the print at same position. If you just write this print like this, it means this print will consider outside the function. Okay. So if we just write it like this, it means all those print is inside this function. So right now if we run it, we will not see anything over here because we have made a function over here, but we didn't call this function. So right now we need to call this function. And how can we call this function? In order to call this function, all you need to do is that you need to say over here hello test. So once you just write it, it means we are calling this function to print whatever we have in this function. So if we just run this again, and there you can see we are able to see hello, hello, and hello. If you want, you can make a summation over here as well. For example, let me just declare a variable. Let's say over here number 1 equal to 10. Then we say over here number 2 equal to 20. And we are going to end those two. So in order to end those two, let's say over here sum equal to number 1 plus number 2. And we're going to say over here print sum. So right now, if we run it, what we get is that we get the total sum of 10 plus 20, which is 30, and the hello. If we just run it, let me just show you. Here you can see 30 and hello. So here we have the variable, and we have assigned the variable hello in the function. So there is one more thing that we can do for function. For example, let me just remove those number 1 and number 2 from here, and we are going to pass the value of number 1 and number 2 from this function. So whenever we are calling this function, we are going to pass those number 1 and number 2. So for it, first of all, we need to write over here number 1, comma, number 2. And here we are going to pass a number, let's say 50, comma, 10. So here you can see that it will automatically give this 50 number to number 1 and 10 to number 2. So the value of number 1 will be 50 and the value of number 2 will be 10. So let me just explain it again. So here we are calling this function hello test, and we are also passing a value 50 and 10, which will receive by this number 1 and number 2. Then it will sum those number and show us the value. So right now if we just run it, and let me show you over here, here you can see the total is 60 because 50 plus 10 is 60, and we also have hello over there. And let me just show you one more thing, and that is here instead of number 1, number 2, let's say over here name, and from here we are going to pass a name. Let's say name will be Yamin. There you can see we are passing this to over here, and here let me just remove this sum and also this print. So when we say over here hello, they will give a comma, and we are going to mention this name variable. So I'm going to say over here name. So right now if we just run it, okay, we got an error because name, this is a string, so we need to keep it inside two double quotation. So let me just run it again, and here you can see it says hello Yamin. So those are the basic use of function. I tried to make this as simple as possible. I hope you understand it clearly. But still, if you have any question or if you have any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.